Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Ford Explorer and I will show you how to remove and replace the taillights or taillight light bulbs. This video will apply to Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open the lift gate, and then you want to remove these two black covers which are covering the screws holding the taillight. So one here and one here at the bottom. So you just want to kind of pry them out. Okay, just like this. Once that is done, you want to remove these two 8mm screws. Okay, so once this is done, nothing else will be actually holding this taillight in place. It will be loose, other than one pin which is inside the quarter panel right here. So what you have to do, you have to pull the taillight straight towards yourself. Do not pull it to the side because you will break that pin. Now in some cases this might be quite easy to do and you can just pull it straight out with your hand. If it doesn't want to let go, then I have two suggestions. First thing, you can use like a small plastic pry tool to gently pry it out here on the side. And the other option which I like to do, if you have some duct tape, just tape the duct tape over the headlight and gently pull towards yourself, and that will pull it out. Okay, so I will show you how to do this. So the idea is to tape the duct tape and then just gently pull it straight towards yourself, and that will get the taillight out. And the other option is trying to use something like this, a plastic trim removal tool, just to pry it. I will also show you now here. So this is the pin I was mentioning, right? And if you pull to the side, you will break it. And one more thing, just here on the top, this taillight is actually slides in to this as well. So there is no way you can pull it to the side and not break the taillight. So pull it straight out. Okay, now first, to replace and remove the light bulbs, you just have to turn this socket counterclockwise, right, and pull the bulb out. And now to remove the bulb, just pull it straight out. You don't have to twist it or anything, just pull it straight out and install the new bulb in. And same thing will go with the other one as well. So just want to turn the socket. I'm trying to do it with one hand and pull it out. And now to completely remove the taillight, if you're replacing it, you just have to disconnect this electrical connector. For that, you'll have like a small tab here on the top. You want to press it and just wiggle this off. Okay, just like that. And that's pretty much everything you have to do. Very easy. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.